with clear programs and step-by-step execution with values so it's easy to understand. What is looping in Java? Looping means repeating the same block of code again and again until a condition becomes false. Example, print numbers from 1 to 5. Instead of writing 5 println statements, we use a loop. When to use. Use for loop when you know how many times the loop should run. Syntax. You can see the code in our conversation history. Example program. You can see the code in our conversation history. Step-by-step execution, step I value, condition I equal 5, output 1 I equals 1 true, 1, 2 I equals 2 true, 2, 3 I equals 3 true, 3, 4 I equals 4, 4, 5 I equal 5 true, 5, 6 I equals 6 false. Loop stops. Shashed while loop. When to use. Use while loop when you don't know the number of iterations, but you know the condition. Syntax. You can see the code in our conversation history. Example program. You can see the code in our conversation history. Step-by-step execution. Step, I value, condition, output, 1, 1, true, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, true, 3, 4, true, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, false stop, important. If you forget I++, loop will run infinite times. Do while loop special point executes at least once, even if the condition is false. Syntax. You can see the code in our conversation history. Example program. You can see the code in our conversation history. Step-by-step execution. Step, I value, output condition, 1, 1, 1, 1 true, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3 true, 4, 4, 4 true, 5, 5, 5 true, 6, 6 false, stop. Example where condition is false. You can see the code in our conversation history. Output 10 printed once even though condition is false. That for each loop, enhanced for loop, when to use, used only for arrays and collections, very simple and readable. Syntax. You can see the code in our conversation history. Example program. You can see the code in our conversation history. Step-by-step execution iteration num value, output 1, 10, 10, 10, 2, 20, 20, 3, 30, 30, 4, 40, no index, no condition, no increment needed. Quick comparison table, loop condition check. Minimum execution works for before loop 0 times while, before loop 0 times do while, after loop at least 1 time for each auto. Depends on array size. Stash summary, easy words, for fixed number of times, while condition based, do while runs at least once for each, best for arrays and collections.